Leyland National buses are celebrating in Whitehaven. 52 years have passed since the first Leyland National entered service in Whitehaven in April 1972. The Workington Transport Heritage Trust have brought together not just Leyland Nationals but a host of other buses for the event. The static display is held along the Whitehaven harbour front. The majority of the people have come to witness the buses in action as they provide the events park and ride, town tours, as well as some of the tours around the local areas. So you ready to jump on board? Let's go! Stagecoach was still running their usual service around Whitehaven as the event was taking place. This right-bodied Scania is on the park and ride scheme, which runs every 15 minutes. This is the Whitehaven Harbour Hub where the park and ride scheme runs from. This B10M is now heading back to Lillyhall, just down the road to the Lakes College, where the park and ride starts from. This Leyland Leopard seems to be quite popular in the rain, going for a trip out, trying to keep dry. It's still with all of its advertising stickers on for the Rust to Rome event it went to last year. This Osprey bus liveried Mercedes used to work around Bassingthwaite Lake, now on the town tours for the event. Another bus on the park and ride is this Alexander LX 300 MAN on its way back to Lillyhall to take another load back to the car park and hopefully bring some more back to the event. Another popular bus on the trips out is this Brighton and Hove South Downs liveried Bristol VR. Osprey bus liveried Mercedes passes by the Volvo B10M sightseeing bus that has half an open deck. It's off to St Bees, and there are a few hardy folks that are braving the rain, going for a trip out to the seaside, followed by the park and ride B10M heading back to Lillyhall. Coming back into Whitehaven with a few more people on than when it went out. There's the Scania. There were some hidden gems along the harbour front, including Leyland Nationals. If you'd like to see more Leyland Nationals in action, then check out the link on the screen now or in the description, and I'll see you there.